Navigating the new online German student visa application process for Indian students dreaming of studying in Germany. The visa application process has recently transitioned entirely online, simplifying the process. Let's explore these changes and guide you through the new application process.
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha, study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
Transition to the online visa application. Germany has modernized its visa application system, moving from a traditional paper-based system to a comprehensive online platform. This change aims to streamline the process, reduce processing times, and making it accessible for the students worldwide. Introducing the digital Consular Services portal. Central to this transformation is the Consular Services portal, accessible at digital.diplo.de. This portal serves as your primary resource for all the visa information. Step-by-step guide to applying for a German student visa online. Step 1. Access the Visa Navigator. Begin by using the Visa Navigator on the portal. This tool helps you decide which visa to apply to. It will ask you simple questions and you just have to put the correct answers to those questions. Step 2. Register and create an account. Register on the portal by providing your personal details and creating a secure account. This account will be your hub for managing your application. Step 3. Complete the online application form. Fill out the online application form accurately, ensuring your information matches with official documents. Double check details to prevent delays. Step 4. Upload required documents. Prepare digital copies of necessary documents, including a valid passport. Ensure it's signed and has at least 2 blank pages. Confirmation of your acceptance into a German institution. Proof of financial resources. Evidence like a blocked account statement showing at least 11,904 euros per year to cover your living expenses. Health insurance. Valid medical coverage for you to stay in Germany. Academic records. Certificates and transcripts from your previous education. Language proficiency proof. Certificates demonstrating your German or English language skills, depending on your course requirements. Step 5. Pay the application fee. The visa application fee is 75 euros, approximately 6,700 rupees. Payments are made through the online portal using various payment modes. Schedule and attend the visa interview. Make an appointment for your visa interview at the German consulate. Step 7. Await visa decision. Processing times can vary, typically ranging from 6 to 12 weeks. It is advisable to apply well in advance of your intended travel date to accommodate any delays. Benefits of online application system. The online system offers multiple advantages. Convenience. Apply from anywhere in the world. Transparency. Track your application in real time. Efficiency. Reduce paperwork and faster processing. Conclusion. Germany's shift to an online visa application process simplifies your path to move to Germany for studies. By utilizing these steps and using the Consular Services portal, you're well on your way to an enriching educational experience in Germany. If you want a full-fledged guide to studying abroad in Germany, don't forget to check this video out. For informative videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Planning to study abroad but confused about SOPs, LORs, courses or visas? No worries. Shiksha's expert counselors offer free guidance for everything. Message us on WhatsApp now at 8130132440 and let's get you started. तो करिए अपने ग्लोबल एजुकेशन की शुरुआत शिक्षा स्टडी अब्रॉड के साथ।